இனிய வணக்கம் அன்பர்களே, நான் உங்கள் ஜான்வி. இன்னைக்கு நான் உங்களுக்கு லைன்ஸ் சொல்ல போறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் prayer song. God bless mommy, God bless daddy, God bless teacher, help me always to make them happy. Goosey, goosey gander, where shall I wander? How shall and outside, in my lady shamble, there I meet and gold man, unna says prayer, so I took it by the left leg and to him down the stage. Here we go down the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go down the mulberry bush, all in cold and fasting morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth, all that cold and fasting morning. Better cake, bake us man. Bake me a cake and fast as you can. Better cupcake than market will the be when put it in the oven for the baby and me. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, it was white as snow. And everywhere then Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere then Mary went, and up was set to go. One day what went in, it followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, it was a ring the rose. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamp at school. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell on and bumped his head. Mama called the daughter and the daughter said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Cobbler, cobbler, when my shoe, get it done by, of course too, yes, must too late, get it done by, of course it, sit it up, sit it down, I will give you us the crown. Days of a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. இந்த பதிவை உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிக்கிறோம் என நான் நம்புறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.